Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to use conjugation or the three forms of verbs in a sentence. Suppose you are given a verb fight and you are asked to make a sentence with fight in past tense. Then what should you do? At first you have to select a subject. Suppose you have selected they as a subject. So you have written they. Then you need to put the past form of a verb, because in English verb comes after subject. You just remember the three forms of verb. While forming sentence in past tense, simple past tense, you just remember the three forms of verbs like fight, fought, fought, see, saw, send, like that. While writing a sentence in past tense, you have to choose this second form. Yes, this one. This is first form, this is second form, and this is third form. So you have to choose this second form because the second form is the past tense. Now you put this second form, yes, only this second form, and put it beside the subject. Yes, put it beside the subject. So they fought. Yes, they fought is a sentence in past tense. Then you can add object like a battle after fought. So subject they, verb fought, and then object a battle. These all make a complete sentence. They fought a battle. So what did we do? We just took out this second form. The second form is past tense and put it after the subject. They fought. Only fought. Fought is the past tense. Fought is the past tense. Sometimes students make mistake like they put a was before fought and write like they was fought. No, it's wrong. You cannot put a do type of verb and be type of verb together in simple past tense. So was fought is wrong. They fought is right. Only use the second form of that after the subject. Do not use was or were like this. Okay? Another type of mistake often we see from a student that they put a did after fought, after the verb. It is again incorrect because fought did no. Sometimes actually what happens, some students sometimes some students make sentence with the help of translation in their mind, and that's why in Bengali people say like this, tara juddho korechilo. This korechilo, for this korechilo students put did. No, this is wrong. Fight itself means juddho kora. So they fought. Only they fought is enough to make the sense, so we will not use this did. They fought. Got it? Let us say another example with the verb see. See. Again you take a subject like I. Then again you remember your conjugation list, and you have to make a sentence with the past tense of see. So you take this second form and put it after I, the subject. So I saw. I saw. I is the subject and saw is the past form of see, that is the verb. So I saw is a sentence in past tense. Then you can add any object like a bird or anything like that. So I saw a bird is the complete sentence, where I is the subject, saw is the verb, and a bird is the object. Again, don't make any mistake like putting was before saw. I was saw is incorrect. You just need to, so I am removing was, and then I saw is a correct one. So subject and the second form for simple past tense with the second form. Yes. So the middle word, take this middle word and put it after the subject, then it makes a sentence in simple past tense like I saw. Okay, thank you.